Hello, this is a continuation of the series of videos Godot for beginners. If you cannot wait for the next video from BornCG, maybe you can watch this video and make some progress. So first I'm showing you the progress I made from the last video of that tutorial. So the first thing was to create a simple animation. So you create a cube, like a very simple cube with a collision and mesh. Then you import that cube. You create an animation player. And then you select a node to add this animation. So there is several options in the animation. There is a loop, there is a time, the duration of the animation. So let's start from the beginning. You import the cube. You add a new track, a 3D position track, and you select the node. And then you select the frame from which you want to start, position your node, and then you keep adding keyframes. It's very simple. So you move your node, in this case the cube, and then you add the keyframes, and that's it. And you have to select the auto play in order to make the animation play without any script. So remember that to select the option autoplay. In this that option autoplay, and this way it's going to play automatically. And that's it. That's the way you animate meshes and in Godot.